Good morning, welcome to
Math practice number 210.
Math practice number 210. Today we're going to talk about
More fractions.
more fractions. Pretty funny, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so yesterday we drew a fun picture, right?
Yeah.
And first, can you draw in the thirds and how the thirds work? Oh, actually, while you're doing that, let me get my eraser. And, okay, so that was thirds, and then how did a half work?
It works.
Okay, so there was a half, and we noticed that that half cut this third down here in half, right?
Yeah.
And so what was this little pie wedge? How much of the circle was that?
That was a sixth.
Yeah, half of 1/3. And then we wrote down a really neat formula that said 1/2 plus 1/3. Do you remember how much a half plus 1/3 was? So this third here plus that half there. How much of the circle was that?
It's 5/6.
5/6. That's pretty surprising, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here we see from a picture why that's true. Let's say you ate half a pie and your brother ate a third of the pie. That would be 5/6 of the pie.
Mm-hmm.
You think that would ever happen?
Probably not.
How come?
I don't like pumpkin pie.
Oh, you don't like pumpkin pie? Okay. Well, that probably wouldn't happen then. Is there a kind of pie you do like?
Chocolate pudding pie.
Would you eat half a pie?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe that's what it was. Okay, so let's see if we can make sense out of this with another picture. And see why a half plus a third might turn into sixths. So first we have a third this way. And then why don't you cut each one of those thirds in half? Okay. Now can you shade in 1/2 of the circle for me? Exciting. Okay.
That's 3/6.
That's 3/6. So a half is actually 3/6. Did you know that?
Yeah. Well, 3/6 is half of a circle.
Yeah, because there's 6/6 in a circle. Now how many sixths is 1/3?
Well, 1/3 is 2/6.
2/6. Can you shade that in for me? Ooh, that's interesting. Now, can you see why this would be 5/6 now?
Because there's only 1/6 left, and there's 5/6 shaded in.
But what about here, just from the numbers? Do you see anything that adds up to 5?
There 3 plus 2 is 5.
3 plus 2 is 5. That's pretty interesting. Maybe that's going to help us develop a rule for fractions. I wonder why we don't add the bottoms. I wonder why this isn't 5/12.
Maybe we can only add the numerators.
Maybe we can only add the numerators. That's interesting. Alright, are you excited to study fractions this year?
Yay, yeah.
You excited to go on your special hike today?
Yeah.
Alright, good job today, honey. Would you mind erasing the board for me?